How to check start date of iPhone. To get started, tap on Settings from your home screen. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Battery. Once you're here, you'll get to see your battery usage details on this page. Now, scroll down and tap on Battery Health as shown. On this page, you'll be able to view details like your battery health, maximum capacity and cycle count. On the bottom here, as you can see, there's a section called First Use. The date displayed beside it is the time your iPhone was first started. Right above it, you can also view the manufacture date as well. This option comes in handy when you're buying a second-hand iPhone, or you're just curious about your iPhone start date. Following these steps, you can easily check start date of iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.